So in this lesson, we will learn how to solve system of equation with substitution method. We have three examples here which are from easier to hard level. We will solve them. So we have our first problem, which is 11x plus 2y equal 14 and y equal negative 4x and plus 1. So the meaning of substitution method, we have to isolate the equation with one variable in the form of other variable and plug these value into the next equation to find the value of x or y. So we have the equation. Let's naming these equation, which is equation number first and equation number 2. So we have y equal negative 4x plus 1. Let's plug these y equals negative 4x plus 1 into the first equation. So we have 11x plus 2y equal 14. So 11x plus 2y means 4x plus 1 equal 14. So 11x plus 2 times 8 gives us negative 8x, and plus 2 times 1 gives us 1 equal 14. So here these are the like terms, so let's subtract these. 11x negative 8x gives us 3x plus 2 equal 14. So let's undo this 2. To undo this 2, subtract 2 from the both side of the equation. So if we subtract 2 from the both side of the equation, this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So here we have 3x equal 14 and negative 2. So 3x equal 14 minus 2 gives us 12. So I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 3 to undo this 3. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel out. So x equals 12 over 3 gives us 4. So here is our solution, x equals 4. Now let's plug this x equals 4 into any of these two original equations to find the value of y. So let's put x equals 4 into the second equation. We have our second equation, y equals negative 4 times x means 4 plus 1. So we have negative 16 plus 1. So negative 16 plus 1 gives us negative 15. So y equals negative 15 is our answer. So we have solution y equal negative 15 and x equal 4. If we want to verify that our solution is correct or not, we have to plug these solution into the equation. So let's plug these solution into the second original equation, which is y equal negative 4x plus 1. So the value of y is negative 15 equals negative 4 times x means 4 plus 1. So negative 15 equals negative 16. 4 times 4 is negative 16 plus 1. So negative 15 equals negative 15. So here we have right hand side equals left hand side, which shows that our solution is correct. So moving to our next problem, which is x negative 3y equal negative 9, 2x plus 7y equals 8. So the first step of substitution method is to choose the easier equation to solve for one variable in terms of other. It is best to choose a variable with a coefficient of 1 or negative 1. So here we have the coefficient of x is 1. So let's choose this equation. So first I'm gonna naming this equation, which is equation number first and second. So I'm gonna rewrite the first equation, which is x negative 3y equal negative 9. So to undo this 3y, let's add 3y to the both side of the equation. So here 3y and 3y will cancel out. So x equals negative 9 plus 3y. So here we have the x equal negative 3y, negative 9 plus 3y. So let's plug this x value into the second equation. So we have second equation, which is 2x plus 7y equals 8. So 2 times x means negative 9 plus 3y plus 7y equals 8. So here I'm gonna multiply it into the parentheses. So here 2 times 9 gives us negative 18 plus 2 times 3 gives us 6y plus 7y equals 8. Now let's add these terms, which is 6y and 7y. So 6y and 7y is 13y because they are like terms. So 13y and negative 18 equals 8. To undo this negative 18, let's add 18 to the both side of the equation. So this 18 and this 18 will cancel out. So 3y equals 8 plus 18 gives us 26. So y equals 26 over 13. So it will give us 2. So y equals 2 is our solution. To find the value of x, let's plug the value of y equals 2 to the original equation, to the one of the original equation. We have two equations. So this equation is pretty much easier. So let's plug y equals 2 in first equation. So we have x minus 3 times y means 2 equals negative 9. So x minus 3 times 2 gives us 6 equal 9, negative 9. So let's add both side positive 6 to undo this 6. So if we add this 6 and this 6 will cancel out. So x equals negative 9 and positive 6 gives us negative 3. So here we have our solution. X equals negative 3 and y equals 2. So these are our solution. If we want to verify that our solution are correct or not, let's plug these solution into the first original equation because it is pretty much easier. So let's plug these values into the first original equation. So the first original equation is x negative 3y equals negative 9. So x means negative 3 minus 3 times y means 2 equals negative 9. So here negative 3 minus 3 times 2 gives us 6 equal negative 9. So here negative 3 and negative 6 will gives us negative 9 equal negative 9. So here we have right hand side is equals to left hand side. So it shows that our solutions are correct. So let's move to the other problem, which is our last problem. It is a tricky or a hard question, we can say that. So we have to find a equation in which the variable have constant of 1 or negative 1. So here we have negative 1. The constant of x is negative 1. So let's take this equation. So here we have negative x plus 9y equal negative 10. So we have to isolate this 9y. So let's subtract 9y from both sides of the equation to isolate this 9y. So this 9 and this 9y will cancel out. So here negative x equals negative 10 and negative 9y. So if we wanna undo this negative if we want to isolate this negative or undo this negative, so let's multiply the whole equation with -1. So here negative and negative will give us positive x equals positive 9y and positive 10. So x equals 9y plus 10. Let's plug this. Let's plug x equal this value into the first equation. So our first equation is -2x plus 18y equals -20. So here -2 times x means 9y plus 10 plus 18y equals -20. So let's multiply this. So here we have 2 times 9y gives us -18y, and 2 times 10 gives us -20 plus 18y equals -20. So here we have like terms which are in opposite sign. We have -18 and we have 8 positive 18. So these are cancel out. So we have -20 equals -20. So this is the condition of many solution. If we find this such a situation like A equals A or B equals B, so it shows that these equations have many solution. If we plot it in these equation in a graph, the lines are coincides, means the lines are coincides. These lines have the same slope and same y-intercept. So this condition shows that these lines have so many solution. If you have any question about this lecture, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.